Welcome to AI Vastify, your ultimate source for USA's top news and personal finance insights. Mortgage rates decline, boosting homebuyer demand. The latest data indicates a drop in mortgage rates, with the 30-year fixed-rate mortgage averaging 6.88%, down from 6.94% last week. Similarly, the 15-year FRM decreased to 6.22%. This reduction in rates has sparked heightened interest among potential homebuyers. Homes getting cheaper in some places. In some cities, home prices are going down even though they're generally going up everywhere else. Miami, prices dropped by 8.2%. Denver, Colorado, prices went down by 3.6%. In places like San Jose, California, and San Francisco, known for tech, prices are also slipping, with San Jose down by 2.3% and San Francisco by 1.3%. Raleigh, North Carolina, and San Antonio, Texas, are also seeing lower prices, with Raleigh down by 2.2% and San Antonio by 1.5%. Tax season 2024. What to know about IRS Free File Program? The IRS Free File Program offers free federal tax return filing for those with an AGI of $79,000 or less in 2023. Over 943,000 users have utilized it this year, with an increase of nearly 10% compared to last year. Average refunds are up 130%. What is IRS Free File? It's a partnership between the IRS and several tax prep companies allowing free federal tax return filing for those with an AGI of $73,000 or less in 2023. How does it work? Users are directed to participating companies' websites to complete their returns with step-by-step instructions. Basic questions, calculations, and filing with the IRS are facilitated for free. Is it really free? Yes, there are no charges for federal return preparation. However, charges may apply for state returns. Requirements: documents like income statements, social security numbers, and last year's tax return are needed. Access the program online, not in person or via mail. State tax deadlines. More time to file doesn't mean more time to pay. Tax day for 2024 is April 15th, with extensions available until October 15th. State tax deadlines vary, and extensions to file do not extend the deadline to pay taxes. Key dates include the opening of Free File on January 12th and the deadline for HSA and IRA contributions on April 15th. If you can't meet the deadline, request an extension to avoid penalties and interest. April's Social Security payment. What you need to know. In just over 3 weeks, April's monthly supplemental security income (SSI) payment, which can be up to $943 for individual filers, will be distributed to millions of beneficiaries. This payment is intended for individuals facing serious disabilities and limited income. To qualify for these payments, individuals must either be partially blind or have physical or mental conditions severely restricting their daily activities for at least 12 months or resulting in death. The amount of payment depends on the category under which the beneficiary applied: individual, joint, or as an essential person. Individual filers can receive up to $943 monthly, couples up to $1,415, and essential persons up to $472. These amounts have increased by 3.2% from 2023 due to inflation. Payments are in addition to regular Social Security benefits for those eligible, but not all recipients receive the maximum amount. Recipients can use the SSA's calculator for a personalized estimate. CFPB caps credit card late fees at $8, sparking debate. The government made a rule that says credit card companies can only charge $8 for late fees. This is supposed to help people avoid paying too much money if they're late with their payments. But some people worry that this rule might make it harder for some folks to get credit cards or that interest rates might go up. Biden's efforts to help with student loans. President Biden talked about how he's trying to help people with their student loans during his big speech. He mentioned 2 ways: one where your payments are based on how much money you make, and another where if you work for the government or certain nonprofits, your loans can be forgiven after 10 years of making payments on time. So far, nearly 4 million people have gotten help with their loans, totaling $138 billion. Employers prioritize child care benefits. American companies are increasingly prioritizing child care benefits, with 56% emphasizing them in 2024. This shift is driven by the labor market giving workers more leverage and the challenges of caregiving. Providing such benefits helps support employees and boost productivity. That's a wrap for today's AI Vastify. Stay tuned for more news and financial tips. Until next time, stay informed and empowered. Goodbye.